There are so many websites out there that generate subtitles, but they all come with their own set of problems. Some are paid, some generate subtitles with ugly watermarks, and some are free but not as catchy or engaging as the paid ones. Don't worry, we've got the solution. Open your browser and search for v.io. This is one of the best websites to generate subtitles. There are also many other similar websites out there. The main point of this video is to show you how to remove watermarks from your videos generated by these sites in 1080p quality. Normally, with the free plan of these sites, you can only export in 720p quality with a big watermark on top of your videos. Click on Start for free. First, create your account. Click on the timeline and upload the video file that you want to add subtitles to. This is a video from my channel that I'm choosing to show you guys the tutorial. Here on the left, there are so many options to edit the video. We are going to choose the subtitles one. Now click on Auto. Choose your language and click on Create Subtitles. It will automatically generate subtitles for your whole video. Just wait for a few seconds. As you can see, it generated the subtitles with ultra accuracy, and the subtitles design also looks great. Click on Styles to change the style of your subtitles. There are so many styles to choose from. Let's choose this one. Scroll down, and from here you can change almost everything about your subtitles: text, size, alignment, and so on. You can also decide how many lines you want your subtitles to be in. In the Effects section, you can add background text, outlines, and shadows. In the Animations section, you can change the color of the animated box. Let's see which color looks the best. Green looks good. Now we are at the main part of the video. Go to the timeline and double-click on your video. Now go to these three dots and bring down the opacity of the video to 0. Click on this blank area, then click on the background option and paste this color code. We are all done. Now click on Done. Make sure this option is enabled, then click on Export Video. Now click on the Download button and select 720p. Your video is downloaded. Now open your video editing app. I'm using CapCut. First, import both videos into the editing app, our original video and the video we just downloaded with subtitles. Put your original video on the timeline and make a copy of it with Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. Then extract audio from both videos and delete them. Now, put the video that we just downloaded on top of the other videos. Select the top video, click on Remove Background, and remove the background of the video like this. Now, drag the second video to the top layer. Select it and go to the Mask section. Select the rectangle one, crop it to the size of the watermark. And then put it over the watermark. And guess what? We are all done. If you clicked on this video, it means you have already installed WSA, and as you know, we can transfer file. Now you can export the video without any watermark and in full 1080p quality.